snowing, boys. It is snowing. Alright, so right now, you know, we're right there. We're right in between, in a gap here a little bit. So there's just a little flurry coming down. But check this out, let's do the future. Look at that. It's gonna move up. So by 2, 3, 4, yeah, by 2 o'clock, we like in the heart of it. So there it is, guys. We're gonna get a few inches, I believe. It's just a Weather Channel app. I mean, every app, I don't know, man. I just never have luck with anything, with any of those Weather Channel apps or weather apps. They all can be wrong at times, but yeah, I just use this. You know? Alright guys, so we got all the trucks here. We got the 2015 GMC Denali, we got the 2012 Chevy 2500 HD, and then we got the 2019 2500 HD. This is a Duramax, this is gas, that's Duramax. So. Michael's getting everything all fueled up and getting the tires pumped up a little. That one's a little low. So, man, it is hoping we get 2 to 3 inches. Loving these trucks, guys. I'm loving these trucks. Love it. So, guys, weather, it is coming down. It is gonna stick. Cold enough to stick. And so, excited. So guys, I am back in my office and I'm gonna show you guys the weather here, what we got going on. So today, right there, that's today. Guys, it's 20 degrees, it's snowing. Let's check out the radar, shall we? All right, so where are we at? We're right here, you guys. We're right there. Or we're right around here, this area. So we're right on the tip of it. It's eventually gonna move north to us. So it should go like this right here. Come up, you know. So that's big. Let's exit here quick. Let's just exit. Okay, let's go to this here. All right, so today, guys, highs between 19 to 25, light snow, parts of the area. Accumulations 1 to 3 inches. As you can see, Monday we're not going to have anything. Tuesday nothing, and then Wednesday another chance of snow. Cold periods of light snow through the midweek. So right here, as you guys can see, we're in Jackson, 2 to 3 inches. We're in the 2 to 3 inches right there. Here's the snowfall timing. So 10 a.m. as you can see, we're right around this area right here. So by 2 p.m. you guys, we should be in the heart of it. Right there, by 6 p.m. we're really in the heart of it, and by 10 p.m. it should start going away. I think we should get a good 2 to 3 inches, guys, today, which is good. We've downsized quite a bit on our snow removal, and so one of the temporary help college kids that we have during the season, we had 2 of them, both didn't work out, and so now we're down to 4 of us. So now our game plan is going to be, well, we're going to go out tonight once it stops. Like I said, we're going to hit residentials and stuff before it gets late, leave all the commercials and industrial once we get all done with residentials. And so yeah, there's 4 of us, you guys, and 4 of us, I think we can handle all the accounts that we've got with the 4 of us. If we really needed to, we'll pull Ashley out from the embroidery shop. But as of today, we won't need her. And so what we're gonna do is, yeah, like I said, we're gonna get everything residential and then industrial last. And so we've got enough equipment, you guys, to do all of our accounts. It's just not enough. Finding help is the hardest part, but you got to keep plugging away, keep doing what you do, and just knock it out and get it done, you know. So that's the game plan for today. It's about 2 p.m. right now. We're gonna check to see how much snow we actually got right now on the ground. Let's check it out. Alright, so I think we've got about 1 inch, you guys, inch of snow so far right now. That's come down. Yeah, about 1 inch. So, inch of snow at 2 o'clock. By the time I think we're done, we'll get 2 to 3 inches. It's nice fluffy stuff, which is good. Yeah. Very nice. Alright guys, I'm coming home, get some rest, and then I'll be back out tonight. Where are you guys going?
Open gym.
Open gym? Go shoot some hoops?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Play some b-ball.
Okay, I'm gonna get some rest and then we're gonna go out tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, man, I can't even sleep. You guys, it's 5 p.m. I came home for like an hour and a half already. Just can't sleep knowing that I gotta go out we gotta go out and remove some snow. It's hard to sleep, but yeah, like I said, it's 5 p.m. and look, it is still snowing. It's lightly snowing, but it is accumulating, you guys. Check it out. It's hard to see, very hard to see, but it is coming down. It's coming down. Bet you we got at least 2 inches by now, 2.5 inches. By the time it's done, it's gonna be 3. So yeah. So yeah, me and the team, we're gonna go out at 8, and it shouldn't take us long to get the townhomes done, and then few residentials we don't have much. Get those done, and then downtown area we might as well clean it because it's not gonna snow anymore tomorrow. We're gonna clean that, just get everything done, and our last stop will be Industrial Parkway, and that's gonna be, you know, cleaned before they all come in. So this is we've gone out, you guys, around this time, 8, 9 o'clock. We rarely do go out around this time to remove snow, but in this case, it happens to snow in between these times, so we could do it. All right, guys, it's, oh man, time is it? 5, 6, 7, 3 hours, you guys. We're gonna go out, so I'm gonna see if I can get 2 hours of rest, and then we're gonna be out all night. So, all right, guys. All right, guys. It is like 7 o'clock p.m. It's still snowing, but I'm gonna go get something to drink and then get ready for the night here. We're going out at 8 here, guys. So everybody will. I gotta go pick up Emily. Woo. Clean these windows out. I got a window scraper. I don't think I have one in here. Shoot. Not sure what I did with them. I bought a few of them. Alright, guys, it is just snowing, and it's about 7:30 p.m. I'm gonna start up this 2012. He was rolling. Crank this up. You guys always turn the heat up to the defrost on the window and keep it running. Keep it running, or else you'll freeze the wipers. So that's a tip there for you. Over 2 inches of snow. It's come down slowly and lightly, which is good. Alright, I'm gonna let that warm up. Oh Jesus. That is slippery, boys. Let that warm up. I'm gonna go pick up Emily, and then I'm gonna hop in the other truck there. So we're gonna see how we do with 4 of us. It's gonna be a full cleanup, and we'll get it all done. We'll get it all done. It's just how long will it take, you know? So should be good. All right, guys. I am gonna take the S70. The gang is already on location. So the gang is up there. Emily's here. Michael and them, they're shoveling the entrances of the sidewalk so I can go in there with the S70 with the blower. Guys. guys, we got that hooked up. Now let's go join the crew, shall we? Yeah.
get your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours?
Alright guys, so I got the sidewalk done with the S70, and usually I would take that S70 to do the other sidewalks, but the we can use the shovel, those poly shovels. So yeah, I'm gonna go and hop into the other that truck over there, you guys. As you guys can see, we got I bet you 3 inches of soft fluffy snow. So now I'm gonna go up and help them up there at man, it's still coming down. They say it's supposed to stop. So I'm gonna go help them up there at the townhomes, do the touch-ups. Can't put too much equipment in there because or else it just gets congested, you guys. 3 is max up there. 3's even cutting it already. So. All right, I think the gangs is almost done here, guys. Maybe they are done. Yeah. That's what I gotta do. All right. Yeah, we still got some here to do. Yeah, and there's some right there that there's a little bit of pile there. Yeah, clean up. I think we should be good, and then let's see here. I'll have you while you might as well hit up downtown.
All right.
Alright, so Emily's there, Michael's there. I'll run up and get Garvin. You guys can hit downtown and then Marge. And then we'll go to the college after that, I think. The sidewalks, guys. The S70 really cleans it up good, but I can't get through here, so I gotta push that. So. Alright guys, we are finished up. Getting there. Yeah. A few more finishing touches and we should be good.